Hello, happy Wednesday. I hope everyone had a lovely week. It was my birthday this past Sunday, and I'm 34 now, and I don't recover like I used to, so I'm still tired. So this week's video is going to be a little more relaxed. I'm going to walk you through the front to back of my makeup routine, but I'm going to try to structure this video to make a lot of sense and to pack as much information in as possible. So let me know if you like this format. So the first thing that we're going to do now is we're going to start to prep the skin. I have some texture right in like the middle of my eyebrow and my forehead and a little bit on my under eye that I like to correct. And my favorite way to do that is with this one size primer. It's a pore filling primer and it just helps my skin feel way more smooth. Applying this now to the skin only in the areas that I want to soften using my fingers. I did put some moisturizer on before this video, but beyond that, that's the full prep of the skin that I'm going to do. And now we're going to move on to applying the base. I'm using this tinted moisturizer by Psy Beauty called Slip Tint in the shade 5. I'm using my fingers now to apply this into the skin because I feel like it gives a really nice natural feel and really buffs it in nice and good. I think there's tons of benefits to using your hands in terms of like how nicely it makes the makeup look on your skin, and they're free. I really like this moisturizer. It just makes me feel like a glazed donut, perfectly crisp and ready to go, you know? Okay, so I've applied the tinted moisturizer by Psy, and then now we can move on to our next step, which is color correcting. Arguably the most important. I'm going in with this tinted moisturizer in the shade Peach by Huda Beauty, and this is going to add that warmth to my under eye and to any parts of my face that are dark or ashy. If any of you guys are new to makeup, I can speak about this in a different way. This is kind of like if we were painting a very dark blue wall, we wanted to paint the wall white. You want to add a primer or a filler onto that wall before you add the white paint, because the white paint right on top, that cool tone of that previously dark blue wall would show through. It's all connected. I do think it's important to note though that you only want to apply this where this is cool, because if not, this will show up like a blush. It has that extra warmth to it. So anywhere but here, it'll show through. And then you'd have like rosier cheeks. So I think that's what you want. Go for that. However, this correcting step, I think, should just be where it's cool tone. My skin even is a little bit paler. And for some reason, maybe with my heavier set brow bone, the sun doesn't quite hit here as much. So I find that it's lighter than the rest of my face. So I'll even color correct here as well to add a little bit of that warmth back in. And even that little amount, I feel like, has evened out the tone of my face. With another Huda Beauty product now, I'm also using the concealer on top of that color corrector, and this is in the shade Graham Cracker. I'm using the same color correcting brush, and I'm being sure to apply it only where I need it. This would be the time, too, to cover this giant monster that I have here. Incredible. I also get a little red right here. Essentially what I'm trying to express with this is that like there's no need to really like smack it all on all over. And I like to approach it where I go a little bit lightly and then I just do kind of spot correct where is necessary, and that way I feel like I still look like myself and I'm not starting off with a blank canvas and then trying to add dimension back into that. I'm going in now with this finely milled setting powder by Anastasia and a fluffy brush, and I'm going to apply this in certain areas that I want to be matte or long wear. So you just want to lightly just dust it like around here. I take it to the corner of the eye here and no lower because I like this shine there. I'll take it away from here. And then I'll also set it right here because this is where I get shiny throughout the day. Final step is setting my eyebrows now with this Anastasia Brow Freeze Gel. There's two sets of prongs on this applicator, and I'm using the wider tooth one to apply it, and then I switch to the other side to the fine tooth one to comb them straight up and nice and groomed looking. Okay, and then this is the finished look. I like it because it looks like me still, but like in glazed donut form. As always, the links for everything will be down below, and so is my Twitch stream link because I stream on every Thursday night. So I'll see you guys tomorrow night. If you guys want to hang and just, you know, chat. Let me know what products you guys are using for your skin that make you look like naturally you, but like bomb.com, because I'm super interested. And I will see you guys in next week's video. Okay, bye friends.